What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a product review on the liquid wood epoxy restoration kit. They say that you got everything you actually need to restore most repairs inside this box. We're about to find out.
When I received this in the mail, the box was halfway open, but everything inside is good. So we're just going to pour it straight out. Start with the part A, wood epoxy. It's a two-part epoxy, so it comes with part B. You have your part A, liquid wood. You also have your part B, liquid wood. Comes with 2 disposable gloves, a putty knife, and a bottle to apply the liquid wood with. Comes with a measuring cup, some instructions, and I flip furniture, so we're gonna use this on a piece of furniture that has severe damage on one of the corner drawers. I already mixed part A and part B liquid wood. It's a 50-50 ratio, so I just poured it straight in the bottle. These are 2 distinct colors, so you can easily tell how much you have in the bottle of one or the other. This is part A, wood epoxy, part B, wood epoxy. 2 different colors. Part A is white and part B is like a beige, but it's a 50-50 ratio as well. I take the 2 pieces of epoxy and I knead them together. Make sure they get nice and blended. Like I said, they're 2 separate colors. By the time you're done mixing them, they should be one solid color. First things first, we're going to apply the liquid wood to the surface. The instructions outline that you need to make sure the surface is tacky using the liquid wood before applying the wood epoxy. Now, I used a little bit too much wood epoxy when I was mixing it, so I just pulled off as much as I needed and then shaped the corner very liberally because I want to make sure I have enough material to come back later and sand it down to get those nice clean lines and sharp edges.
Hey guys, so we used the wood epoxy and the liquid wood on the dresser drawer corners. It's set overnight, and right now I'm super excited with how it came out. Check it out. Look at these, man. Look at these guys. It is rock solid, super durable, ticked every single box that I was hoping for. So I'm gonna link it down in the description if you're interested. It's the wood epoxy liquid wood restoration kit, and it came out fantastically. And I'm just gonna hit it with some sandpaper so we can get all these lines and these corners nice and sharp to the original look. But other than that, I'm definitely gonna be using this again because I'm super stoked with how it came out. Let's get to work.
Now I'm just sanding down the corners, getting rid of the excess. Now that it's fully dry, it's very easy to sand, which is a big win. And it does feel very premium. It feels durable, but I'm still gonna take my time, make sure I get nice clean lines and a sharp edge. I want this corner to look as close to the original as possible because when I'm all done with this, I'm gonna put on some paint, and I'm hoping you won't be able to tell any difference between the corners of this drawer.
All done with the corner. This is the corner that we used the wood epoxy and the liquid wood on, the restoration kit, and I could not be happier. This thing just feels durable. Compared to the wood filler that I used on most of the smaller blemishes on the rest of the drawers, I had the wood epoxy. This feels more premium, it feels stronger, and it sands down real easy, real nicely, sharp. So I'm not scared to use this again at all. I think it'll last for a very long time, if not forever. But we still have this corner and 2 more corners on the other side of this drawer to do. Let's get back into it.